everyone, welcome back to TechLight, your trusted channel to learn tech skills step by step with real-time practice. In today's SQL lesson, you will learn how to insert, update, and delete data in your tables using Oracle SQL Command Line. DML commands like insert, update, delete are the heart of working with databases. Every app, website, banking system uses these operations daily. For example, in a bank, new customers are added and old customers will close their bank accounts. Means in banking operations, update, insert, and delete operations are used daily. These are very vital for operating a bank. Follow along as I explain with easy examples and practice each command with me. By the end of the video, you will be confident and manipulating your databases like a pro. Let's recap a quick recap of day 2. You created your student table, verified table structure, learned about primary keys and SQL data types. Let's dive into day 3. Let's see what is DML. What is data manipulation language in SQL? In SQL, DML, data manipulation language, includes commands that modify data in tables like insert, update, and delete. Insert command is used to add new records. Update command is used to change existing records. And delete command is used to remove records from the table. Now you got an idea about inserting, update, and delete. Insert is used to add new rows in a table. And update is for changing the existing records in a table. Delete is used to remove records. Okay, let's see about first DML command is insert. Let's see insert into. Open your MySQL Oracle MySQL command line from search bar. Search run MySQL command line. Run SQL command line. It will open. Here you can see in data I created student table with student ID, name, course as columns. You can see table is created. You can see the description of the student table by using DESC table name. Then the structure of the table is will be printed like what are the rows and what are the data types you are using. Okay, now perform DML operations, DML commands, insert, update, delete on student table. Every time you open run SQL command line, you have to connect your database. You have to enter your password. Mine is password only. Mine is connected. And let's insert. Let us see first the syntax of the insert statement. You can see we have to use insert into. These are the reserved words to insert data in a table. We have to write first insert into and our table name. Here my table name is student. You're in the place of table name, you have to write student. And column 1, column 2 means what are the columns I have specified. Okay, let's see what are the columns I have specified by using the description of student. Here, student ID, name, course are the column names I have specified. And values. Values is a reserved word to insert values in a table. And you have to insert your value 1, value 2. Corresponding to column name, you have to insert your values. Okay, let's write. Right, insert into what's our table name? Student. Student of, we have to write column names. What are the column names? Student ID. Let's see, student ID, comma, name, comma, age. Name, comma, sorry, course. Parenthesis, now you have to write values. Values of, write any ID like 1 and write any name like TechLight. Course, we have to take any course. I'm going to take CSE and end with an semicolon. Column not allowed here. Okay, my bad. Here I have to put for characters. I have to put for string data type. You have to put inverted comma, single quotations. Now it will definitely execute. Let's see. Click enter. Okay, one row is created. In the same way, you will create two or more different rows. For previous command to appear in a command line, click upper arrow, triple E, and TechSQL. Another student name is TechSQL, and the ID is 2. Okay, one row is created. Now let's see how many rows are created. Let's see what are the rows are created. To retrieve the data from a table, you have to use select command. Select star is used for to retrieve all the rows from the table. Table name is student, semicolon. Now you can see student ID is 1, name is TechLight, course is CSE. And student ID is 2, name is TechSQL, course is triple E. Now you know how to insert data in a table using insert into table name. Our table name is student here, and these are the column names I have specified while creating a table, and these are the values inserted. Okay, you see our values are inserted in a table. Let's update. Update is another DML command, manipulation command. Update command is used to modify existing records. Let us see the syntax of the update command. Now you will get an idea about update command. Update is used to eh, modify the existing records in a table. Update is used for modify existing commands, sorry, existing records in a table. And this is the syntax of update. You have to write first at update, then table name. Our table name is student here. If you specified any other table name, write the table name here and set. Set is another reserved word. Column 1 equal to value 1. Column 2 equal to value 2 where condition. Okay. Now let's update our student table. Like we have to set our student to take SQL course as CSC. Okay, let's update it. First of all, we have to write update. Next step, student. This is our table name and set course equal to for string I have specified you have to set quotation mark, single quotation mark, course as CSC. Okay, CSC where student ID equal to 2. Okay, now when you click enter, it will update. Let's see where it will be. Let's see where it is, whether it is updated or not by using the select command. Yeah, now you can see student to Tech SQL course is updated as CSC. Okay, here what update is doing? It will modifying the existing record. Student 2 is already present in a table, but it is modifying the data by using update student set. You have to remember the exact syntax. Okay, always use where class to avoid updating all rows accidentally. Okay, because if we, in our table now we have only two rows, but in real time there are up to hundreds of rows, and there are, if we don't write where class, it will update all the students who are having course CSC. Okay, always use where class to avoid updating all rows accidentally. Okay, now let us see our third DML command is delete. Delete is used for removing records. Let us see its syntax of delete. The syntax of delete is delete from table name. Delete from table name. Here we have to use our table name. Where condition. We have to specify our condition. Okay, let us delete student 2. First, we have to write delete from our table names is student where student ID equal to 2. Let us delete student to record completely. Okay. Here you can see one row is deleted. Let's see whether it is deleted or not. Okay. It's deleted. You can see there is only one student. Without where, all the data will be deleted. If we do not specify where clause, it will delete all the data. Let us see. If we don't write where, it will delete the entire data. All the data will be deleted. No rows selected because the table is empty here. Okay. Now you came to know how to insert multiple student records and view the table with select star from table name. Here our table name is student. By using insert command, Here you can see one row is inserted, one row created means our data is inserted successfully. You can see after every command, it will print one row updated, one row deleted. Okay, forgetting where in update or delete will delete in the entire data if we don't write it where clause in a delete command. Okay, inserting duplicate primary keys causes errors. Okay, let's see. Let's insert our data because now our table got empty. Let's insert our data. I'm going to insert again as student 1 and now student 2. Now I'm going to enter again as because I specified student ID as primary key. I'm going to give a demo what happens when we trying to insert duplicate values in a primary key column. Let's see, it's ECE. It's another student. And our student name is Oracle. I'm going to insert duplicate values in a primary key column because I specified student ID as an primary key. Here you can see it's an primary key does not allow duplicate values and it does not contain null values. I clicked enter. Okay, now you can see unique constraint is violated. TechLight at line number 1. Unique constraint is violated. You can't insert duplicate values in an primary key columns. Now I'm going to give a task. Insert at least 3 records in your courses table. Update once one course's duration. Delete one course record. Comment if you're facing any issues with your queries. I will review and help you to solve your problem. Great work. You're now mastered inserting, updating, and deleting data in your SQL tables. The most common real world databases task. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Always double check your where condition to avoid accidental data loss. In the next video, we will explore how to filter data using where clauses, apply conditions, and start learning advanced queries. If you completed today's your task, comment completed, task done below. I will personally check your queries and help if you need it. If this video helped you, like, subscribe to TechLight and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next SQL tutorial. Keep practicing. I will see you in day 4 of SQL series.